Hey pupils! Today, we're going to explore the exciting world of household things. Do you know what household things are? They are the everyday objects we use in our homes. From chairs, tables, and beds to spoons, plates, and glasses, each item has an important role in our daily life. Are you ready to discover these amazing things and learn their names? Knowing household items will make your vocabulary stronger and help you talk easily about everything you see around your home. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and press the notification bell so you can learn something new and fun every time we upload. Let's get started. Chair. Chair. A chair is used for sitting. Table. Table. A table is used for eating and studying. Bed. Bed. A bed is used for sleeping. Sofa. Sofa. A sofa is used for sitting comfortably. Cup. Cup. A cup is used for drinking tea or coffee. Glass. Glass. A glass is used for drinking water. Plate. Plate. A plate is used for eating food. Spoon. Spoon. A spoon is used for eating and serving. Fork. Fork. A fork is used for eating noodles or salad. Knife. Knife. A knife is used for cutting fruits and vegetables. Door. Door. A door is used for entering and leaving a room. Window. Window. A window is used for fresh air and light. Clock. Clock. A clock tells us the time. Lamp. Lamp. A lamp gives us light. Fan. Fan. A fan keeps the room cool. Television. Television. A television is used for watching shows. Mobile. Mobile. A mobile is used for calling and chatting. Book. Book. A book is used for reading. Pencil. Pencil. A pencil is used for writing. Eraser. Eraser. An eraser is used for removing mistakes.